what's going on? Hera here, and welcome to another video.
Hi, it's me, Kenshin.
And Mom. So today in our taste testing for Days of Christmas, we have day 3, and we have some interesting Doritos.
Doritos!
Oh my goodness.
Doritos!
I love Doritos.
You love Doritos? Well, these are like royal steak flavored Doritos. Okay, but then when I noticed these steak flavored Doritos, I also noticed these steak and garlic potato chips and these dragon potato barbecue steak chips.
That's gonna be spicy.
So we're gonna try, I don't know, I think it's dragon because of the shape. You see how the dragon's all swirly and the shape's all swirly? Anyway, so this is day 3, and so we have 3 steak chips, right?
Yeah.
2, what was chicken crisps?
2
And a bottle of Christmas Pepsi. Okay, so we've got 3 different kinds. Which do you want to try first?
Doritos!
Okay, we're going to try the Doritos first. We're going to try each one, and we'll let you know what we think is the best one. So, we're going to try some chips. Kids have chosen Doritos first. Hero, can you be over here?
Doritos.
Okay, Doritos, raw.
Doritos.
What does that smell like? Good?
Yep.
Okay, wait. We got to eat it together, Kenshin. Not yet. Kenshin, here, try one. No, hold it with your hands. Okay, here we go. We're going to hold on. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I taste the steak. I taste like, not as much steak, but like a roasty grill.
I think that
flavor.
definitely tastes like steak.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want another one?
Yeah.
Okay, just to get the, get the flavor in our mouth.
No, Mommy is still eating.
Okay. I can taste the steak. There is a meatiness to it, but not so much. It's still Dorito. So, it's got a little back hint of steak and char grill, which is kind of nice. So that's pretty good. But let's see. We've got 2 others to try.
So good.
So here, have a quick drink of water. Have a quick drink of water to clean your mouth so you can compare. Now our next one, potato chips, and these are garlic steak flavored. Okay. Here. No, okay. All right. Okay. You can smell the garlic for sure. All right, here you go. Take one. Do it at the same time. You ready?
No, not yet.
Okay, ready? You still have. See, that's why we. You don't want a water? Okay. Okay. All right. 3, 2, 1. You don't like that? I don't know. I can really taste the garlic, and it tastes like really fatty beef with garlic. Can you taste the fattiness?
Yeah.
Which
It's
is
like
weird.
if it is some.
I like that in my steak if it's a nice Japanese cut with a lot of fat in it, but in a chip.
The first one, though, the Doritos.
The first one, the Doritos was good. I definitely like the Doritos better than these.
Yeah, Doritos thumbs up times 10.
All right. You really like those, eh? So our last one is the dragon potato. So this is a barbecue steak flavored, and I think.
I have a
Oh,
feeling
wow.
it's gonna be spicy.
look at the shape of those. It's like a little.
It's like
tornado.
a drill or a tornado.
Yeah, it's like a tornado. Okay, take one. Or like the top of whipped cream. Okay, Kenshin, take one.
You're right.
No, kid.
You don't want one?
No.
Okay, just me and Hero will do it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, those are kind of nice.
Yeah.
None of them have the same flavor. They're all steak potato things. But this one's more, it's sweeter. It doesn't have the char grill flavor. It's more of the barbecue flavor. So it's like a barbecue's, I don't know, the shape makes it kind of neat.
Yeah, but that is definitely sweet.
It's sweet from the barbecue. So we did not, this one for me was a thumbs down. Hero was at half, so no. Which do you like better, Hero, the Doritos or the Dragon potatoes?
Same, both.
The same? Okay. So we give these ones a thumbs up. Can you show the thumbs up, Hero?
Oh, yeah!
Thumbs up for... Okay. So now we're going to sing our song. Ready?
Yeah.
Well, is it 3 steak chips? Okay, ready? Come over here.
Wait.
On the 3rd day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 steak chips. Then what was the other one? 2 chicken crisps and a bottle of Christmas Pepsi. Yeah? Okay, let's say goodbye to everyone. We'll have to do another video another time. All right, everyone, goodbye. Thanks for tasting with us. Hope you enjoyed some interesting Christmas Japanese snacks.